Hello TubeBuddies! We'll teach you how to promote your latest video across all of your videos within seconds. Promoting your most recent video is super helpful for helping you gain view velocity out of the gate. Updating your existing YouTube videos to push to that new video is a great way to get your content out there. You can do this manually, video by video. Or you can do it in seconds with these amazing TubeBuddy star and higher level features. First, you need to see the average view duration on your content. You can do this by heading to Analytics. Then Interest Viewers. Here you'll be able to see the video's average view duration, and then add a card to that point on your latest upload at the time. Or you can use TubeBuddy's Retention Analyzer where you can see your video's drop-off points quickly and easily. We're going to create a card template so you can create a card that promotes to your most recent video. We'll use the drop-off time we found earlier and add the card at that point. The reason you want to do this is to push people watching your older content to your most recent videos. Go to your most recent video prior to your new upload. At the point where your drop-off normally happens for viewers, add the card to your latest video. Once added, head down here to name your template. If you don't have TubeBuddy, you'll have to manually enter in this card every time, but with TubeBuddy card templates, you can do it in bulk. Now that we have this template set, let's focus on adding this to all of our videos in bulk. On the My Videos page in the dashboard, click Bulk Copy Cards, and then select your template and all videos. That will begin adding the card with our most recent video to all of our videos within seconds. Again, you can do this manually on your own, but with TubeBuddy it helps save you so much time so you can focus on creation and less on these back-end tasks. The process of adding end screens in bulk is identical to adding cards. Once on the end screens page, you can have one end screen element pointing to your most recent video, one pointing to the best for viewer, and per YouTube's requirement, one asking them to subscribe. You can save this template with TubeBuddy, or move on to the next video and repeat this process over and over again. Pushing your most recent YouTube video is a great way to utilize your old YouTube videos to help promote your content. Do you want to learn more about how to use TubeBuddy? Subscribe to this channel to keep up to date. I'm Andrew Cam from TubeBuddy, and thank you all so much for watching.